We have to assemble garbage truck. Don't stop. Help the car reach its destination. Move the part to its place. Tap on the right tool to remove the obstacle. Amazing! Let's remove the construction waste. Time to fix the vehicle. Let's go. The crossing gate is closed. We have to wait for the train to pass. Choose the next game. Let's remove the rusting. Let's paint over the discolorations. Done! We did it! Build your own vehicle park. Amazing!